Greetings and welcome back everyone to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely green tea, ginger and mulberry leaf. So here is a mix which have all these ingredients been ground up. You can buy them and blend them yourself, but this is really healthy and nutrition to the body. Mulberry leaf is good to regulate your blood sugar and slow down the process of it, and it's also prevent the spike in your insulin level. And the green tea good to speed up your metabolism and also good for weight loss. And ginger is good for you for nausea, it's good for digestive system, it's good for cold, cough. So I'm going to combine everything together and show you how to make a lovely brew. This is going to be quick and easy and simple. So with this here, you're going to get your cup. Get your cup ready. This, just pour it in. I'm going to add a bit of lemon in. Or you just get some hot water and just pour it over it. Just cover it, let it sit for probably about a minute. Now I'm going to remove it. That's what it looked like. So I'm just going to remove this the funnel out of it. And there you have the finished product. But this, I'm just going to add a spoon of honey. This is lovely, wonderful tea. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comments. Peace be.